Hello and welcome for my video, and I have a thing to make some ice cream and I have to put something in here, and I have things to make something look like a dot, and we had a thing to do the Play-Doh like this. So and we have a Play-Doh. We have 5 Play-Doh. It's pink and yellow and white and blue and green, and we have some biscuit and we have some cups. So let's get started. Okay, now. Pink, yellow, white, blue and green. So first I'm gonna do blue. Wait, I forgot things. That one, sorry. We have spoon, a teaspoon. We have blue and green, and we have things. And we have biscuit. We have purple. We have purple ants. We have green ants. We have yellow ants, and we have blue ants, and we have pink ants. And we had we have something that to put something here and make some ice cream. And we have two cups. It's green and yellow and orange. So I said I'm gonna choose blue. So it's very hot though. So I'm ready. easy for me. Oh, I know. I'm gonna do it. It's not fitting. Silly me.